So there's a feature on your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro that allow you to quickly pair to a Windows device. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable that option. So with your earbuds connected, simply launch the Hey Melody app, or simply go into settings and then tap on Bluetooth and select your earbuds if you're using a OnePlus device, and then select earbud functions. It should land you on this same page. Now once you're on this page, simply scroll down and find more settings, tap on that, and here you should see Windows Swift Pair. Now if it's disabled like that, simply toggle on it to enable it, and when enabled, a Windows Swift Pair pairing notification will automatically pop up when the earbuds enter pairing mode and are close to the computer. Now this is a feature categorically for Windows computers, and once you enable this, it's going to work. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, take care and God bless.